Today I want to do an item unboxing on this Doyle 10-inch professional rivet nut setter kit. Alright, so on my Honda Civic, I have all my panels riveted on, and I just replaced the front bumper on it, so I had to do some more rivets. And I tried to do it the nut and two washers method. It worked, but not so well. I was gonna try it with an impact, but I did not have a bolt long enough, so I just ended up buying the tool from Harbor Freight. I have purchased the one that was like $20, and that one's garbage, so I figured I'd spend the extra $20 and buy this one. This one was $50, and let's see what it has inside. Alright, so first off, has the name of the brand, Doyle. Comes with 2 latches, and boom, comes with some rib nuts, different sizes. They're all in baggies. Oh, nice. It even has little special little containers for the tool that we need, and we're going to be using this 1/4 inch. So I'll replace this one from here, and then we'll go outside and give it a try. But looks pretty good, nice and solid. Hopefully it gets the job done. Alright, I was trying to figure out how to work this. The instructions does not say how to swap the mount. Yep, doesn't really explain it. But anyways, you unscrew this from here. Set that down. You pull this down like so, and then you unthread it. You might need both hands, and that's how I'm holding it, and with the other hand I'm able to unthread it. Then we'll slap in the other one in here and just thread it into place. Let the sleeve go, locks it down. We'll put this piece back into place, and we're ready to give it a try. Oh, and you actually have to remove this one from here as well to replace it with this one here, so it doesn't break the thread on that. Alright, and there it is, swapped out. Now we'll put this back into place, and I am here with the car. See, on this side it came out good, but on this side the rivet's coming out. So I was like, the hell with it, I'm gonna just buy the tool and get this done correctly. Alright, I got the old one out, and I'm gonna install a new one. These are stainless steel, so we'll insert it inside the rivet gun, and we want to open these up, thread this down, just open it as much as you could and thread it down, and then we'll insert it into place. Then we'll squeeze it together. Alright, and then we'll unthread this out, and you could actually do so from back here. Nice. Oh, I like this tool already. And there we go. Look at that. Nice and flush. It actually even pushed that in. Heck yeah. Yes, son. Yeah. So I like it. I like this Doyle riveter. Heck yeah. And it didn't break or pull it. Sweet. And that is my review on this one. Worth the $50. These were such a headache. Look, I gotta redo this one as well. Let's not worry about that. It was involved in a little collision. I tried to fix it. Don't worry about that. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I was able to put a rivet on there. Heck yeah. I love that rivet gun. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.